Welcome to TTT Jewelry, crafting affordable stainless steel pieces since 2010. Our talented designers work with excellent materials, bringing your vision to life. Join us on this journey to discover the artistry behind our truly special stainless steel jewelry through our production flow. Our craftsmen began by creating a rubber mold of the original pieces. A hand-carved wax model is attached to a tree for casting multiple pieces simultaneously. A hard shell forms with 4 coats of refractory slurry, air-dried, for the desired thickness. The heated wax in the shell mold flows out, creating space for casting. The mold is placed into a burnout to remove residual wax and sinter the mold. Preheated shells receive molten metal, cooling to solidify and form the casting. After solidification, castings are shaken out, and your jewelry forms are cut from the tree. Excess stainless steel is recycled at our factory. Castings undergo high-pressure treatment to release any remaining shell material. Precision grinding smooths edges, ensuring a clean and polished finish. A personal message or your brand logo is imprinted. Featuring PVD gold-plated technology for enhanced visual appeal and wear resistance. Stones or diamonds are hand-set with quality, care, and traditional craftsmanship. Each custom piece undergoes strict quality control before being carefully packaged.